Hello everyone, today we're going to make this family size sandwich. It's perfect for any parties or make this for iftar. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. We will begin by preparing the dough. I have taken 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. To it, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. If you're using dry active yeast, make sure you activate it first with water and sugar before adding to this. Add water as needed. I used about 165 ml of water to knead the dough. Coat the dough with a little bit of oil and let it rest for 15 minutes. While the dough is resting, we will prepare the chicken. If you're vegetarian, follow the exact recipe but use paneer instead of chicken. I have taken 2.5 chicken breast and cut into thin slices. To it, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, or add as desired. Adding 1.5 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1.5 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and mix everything together. In a pan, I have added about 2 tablespoons of oil. Cook on a medium heat until the chicken gets cooked completely. For the sandwich spread, take half cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Lastly, adding 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. This is what I'm using, but you can use any hot chili sauce that you have. After 15 minutes, take the dough, dust both sides with flour. Roll it into a circle. Keep the thickness not too thin and not too thick. Grease a pan with oil and transfer the dough into a pan. We're going to cover this with lid and cook on low to medium heat. Apply oil on the top layer as well. Cooking in a pan with a closed lid helps trap the steam and make the bread very soft. Flip and cook until both sides are golden in color. If you're scared about breaking the bread, you can flip it in a plate, turn it, and place it back in the pan. I'm placing it in a pan on low heat for a minute or 2 until the cheese melts. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.